In this video, I'm going to introduce you to the successes of the Rabbit's Quest channel and show you how you can make popular short videos easily and at no cost. The Rabbit's Quest channel has managed to attract 260,000 subscribers in the past few months, with only 23 videos uploaded and 29 million views in 1 month, earning $117,900. One of the channel's short videos managed to get more than 16 million views, and another video got up to 3 million views. These numbers clearly show that even with a small number of videos, great success can be achieved. If you also like to create short videos that quickly gain attention, this video tutorial is for you. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to make engaging videos with a few simple clicks and no cost. The methods I teach in this video are very easy and do not require any special skills. Please stay with me until the end of the video. If you like this tutorial, like the video and subscribe to the channel to know about the next tutorials. Well, now let's start and get closer to the world of popular videos and success. Now that you are logged into ChatGPT, you can simply take a screenshot of one of the channel's videos and send it to ChatGPT. ChatGPT can give you full details of that photo, from the colors and designs used to the placement of elements. This information can help you create similar or even better designs for your next videos. I myself sent 2 photos to ChatGPT and asked him to describe all their details to me. Then, I asked ChatGPT to create 10 new instances with the same specifications for me. This method allows you to create new content inspired by your popular videos that will likely experience the same or even greater success. Using ChatGPT to create video content is a quick, simple, and smart solution. With this method, you can create high-quality and attractive videos without the need for complex design skills. ChatGPT helps you manage the details of appearance and design in the best possible way and quickly achieve the desired results. Next, log into the Leonardo AI site. This site is one of the powerful and free tools for creating digital images. Once logged in, use the anime settings to make the images look like anime. These settings will help you create attractive and unique visuals for your videos that will grab your audience's attention at first glance. Now back to ChatGPT. Enter the text you have prepared in the previous steps separately into Leonardo AI. These texts can be simple descriptions that describe the general characteristics of the photos you want. Based on these descriptions, Leonardo AI will create perfect images for you. You can easily use these images in your short videos to increase their visual appeal. Using artificial intelligence to create images allows you to produce high-quality visual content without the need for professional design skills. This method is completely free and very fast, allowing you to create images without the need for complex software or expensive graphics tools. Create unique and attractive images for your videos. Now that you have gone through the steps, you can create short and creative videos that are likely to get a lot of views. In the last step, go to the CapCut program. This software is known as one of the most popular and efficient video editing programs. The main reason I personally use CapCut is that it not only has a simple user interface that even beginners can understand, but also offers powerful tools that allow you to create professional quality videos. From creating dynamic transitions between images, to adding special effects, and even fine-tuning songs to match the images, CapCut provides you with all these possibilities. In this section, I'll show you step-by-step how you can make great short videos using CapCut. Log into CapCut and create a new project. After downloading and installing the CapCut program, your first step is to open the program and create a new project. This step is very simple. Just click on the New Project option. After that, you will enter the video editor where all the tools you need to make a video will be available to you. CapCut's work environment is very comfortable, and even if you have no experience with video editing programs before, you can quickly get familiar with it, importing photos and songs. Now it's time to import the photos you downloaded from Leonardo AI. These images will serve as the main components of your short video. Just add your selected photos to the CapCut timeline. To do this, select the Add Photo option and upload your desired images. After importing the photos, it's time for the song you downloaded from your channel's audio library. This song will play an important role in conveying the feeling and message of your video to the audience. To add a song, go to the Add Sound section and add the desired song to the project's timeline, setting the time of the photos. One of the key points in making short and attractive videos is to properly manage the time of each photo. To make your video look fast, dynamic, and engaging, You need to time each shot carefully. Since the audience usually tends to get the information quickly, it is better to keep the display time of each image short, say between 2 and 5 seconds. This will make the video less boring and have a faster rhythm. Also, I recommend that you sync the images to the music. That is, change the photos with the beat or the peaks of the song. This harmony between audio and video can greatly improve the video viewing experience for your audience and make them more engaged. Add cool effects and transitions. Use various effects and transitions to make your video more visually appealing. CapCut has a collection of effects that help you make your images look more attractive. For example, you can use lighting effects, color changes, or even special animations. Transitions between images are also very important. For example, using a smooth, gradual transition between two photos can make your video look more professional. CapCut offers several options of different types of transitions that you can choose depending on the style of your video. Track and audio editing. The next important part of editing is track and audio. The song should go well with the images and not overpower your visual content. Where you think the song doesn't match the photos or the song is too distracting, remove that part of the song. Also, use the best parts of the song where you feel the song needs to rise, so that it has more impact on the audience. Have with your content. Finally, try to complement each other's music and images and convey the message or feeling you want to convey to the audience. Edited, it's time to output the video. CapCut has several options for outputting video. You can adjust the video quality and format according to your needs. For example, if you want to upload a video to YouTube or Instagram, it is best to save it in high quality, Full HD or 4K, and in MP4 format. When the video is ready, upload it to your channel and wait. Be the positive feedback of your audience. Thank you for being with me until the end of this video. I hope this tutorial has helped you learn how to make professional-looking short videos easily and without any cost. If you enjoyed this video and feel it was helpful, please like the video and subscribe to my channel to stay up to date with my next tutorials and videos. Your support will help me to prepare more interesting and better content for you, and you will also help me improve with this support. Stay tuned for my next videos. See you in the next video.